We are Team Rocket, and we are all members of the Wekiva Culinary Magnet Program, the only magnet program in Central Florida for culinary arts. Hi, my name is Arson, and I am the kitchen manager here at Wekiva Culinary.
Hi, I'm Emma Thomas, and I'm the bursar.
Hi, I'm Apollo Gonzalez, and I'm the maitre d' for Wekiva Culinary.
And I'm Parker Masenkai. I'm the cafe manager for Wekiva Culinary, and we are excited to cook and represent our school for this competition. Team Rocket,
Blast off!
Food labs, like the one found in the Johnson Space Center, dedicate themselves to creating safe food for astronauts. Nutritional scientists and researchers design, produce, test, and package dishes sent to space. They not only manage nutrition levels, but also avidly develop innovative and delicious new meals to prevent menu fatigue.
When developing menu ideas for astronauts, the effects of microgravity have to be taken into consideration. As astronauts enter microgravity conditions, strain on the digestive, circulatory, and muscular system is a serious concern. So it is important when designing their diet to prioritize a high intake of fiber, protein, and vitamins with a low intake of sodium and fat.
Our mushroom cream sauce with spinach fettuccine is influenced by cuisines found in France and Italy. For our pasta dough, we use oat fibers as a partial replacement to flour. This zero-calorie fiber not only lowers our total calorie count, but also adds a huge boost of fiber. We include spinach for the same reason, and its bright green color is an added bonus.
We use a mushroom blend that incorporates shiitake, button, and oyster mushrooms. The mushrooms provide a strong umami flavor without needing meat or poultry, and this complements the freshness of our spinach dough perfectly. To stay under sodium level while trying to make this dish as delicious as possible, we looked into nutritional yeast, a substitute for Parmesan seasoning that allows us to mimic the flavor of the cheese without the added sodium or fat.
We can't wait to compete in the NASA Culinary Hunch competition.
We'll see you in Houston!
Team Rocket, sign off!